This galaxy looks calm, but it's one of the most violent star factories nearby. We see it almost perfectly from the side, hiding its spiral arms. Discovered in 1783, astronomers thought it was just a nebula. Today, we know it's forming stars 10 times faster than the Milky Way. Dust hides the chaos. Infrared reveals a cosmic furnace. Massive stars explode here constantly, releasing enormous energy. That energy drives a superwind, pushing matter out of the galaxy. Astronomers study this galaxy to understand how galaxies evolve. The Surfboard Galaxy proves even nearby galaxies can be extreme.